Now it's on. We're good. How's that? You what? This thing's like driving a tank through those things. There's some big rapids. Actually, the biggest ones we already went through. Yeah. The biggest ones we're going to see today. You were born to do this. That's okay, you can go woo all you want. Yeehaw, woohoo. Oh yeah. Five. Aren't you glad you went? Yes. What? This river is so gorgeous. There's amazing stuff like that everywhere. I can't hear you when you talk forward. There's Mama. It looks bigger than it feels? Yeah? This is a pretty big boat. Keep paddling, paddle strong. Paddle hard. We're just going to stop for a bit. Hold on. Okay, go. Cool. He's going to get a picture of down the wave train below us. Now this is called a pour over. So we can go in the eddy, which is a little pocket behind the rock, and as soon as we get past it, we can stick our bow in the pour over. It'll spray us. Watch this. In a little boat, you can stand up on your toes. A lot of power there, huh? What? Okay. good. Would you do it in your boat? Would you do it in your boat? Yeah. What if you had a big kid with you? Like me or Chuck or Stephanie or Morgan or right next to you. So all you have to do is paddle. Awesome. What? I can't hear you. Take your paddle in and get your hands a little farther apart. Steve's gonna... What? Put your right hand a little farther over to your right. There you go. What? Ah, I love you. She said it's boring right now. She said it's boring. We'll fix that. What? We'll fix that. We're going to stop in the fish break. We're going to come up. What? Yeah? What's up to you? Do you want to be bored or not? No, there's Mama. You can wave. So we should use this and run the metal fork. What? Yeah? You what? Yeah, you'll do fine on the North Fork and the Middle Fork in your boat, huh? That was a wave, huh? Were you expecting that? What? I can't hear you. Well, did you see the water curling like that? Oh. Still bored? How was that? What? So those ones, when you hit those, if you have your paddle right in front of your chest, the water will hit the paddle blades and slam it into your chest. So the best way to hit those is to point one blade forward and lean into it and spear it. Can you point one blade forward like you're going to spear it? Then lean forward. That's how you spear them. This is it. Punch forward and pull up. What if you're swimming? There you go. You're a rock star, kiddo. So proud of you. That was awesome.
That was fun, but it was boring because we didn't get to go longer.
Guess what?